Hello, good afternoon. My first question for Alden. What are you looking forward sa shows mo sa US and Canada, and gaano ka-importante sa iyo yung pagpa-perform sa mga Filipinos abroad, especially since nakapag-portray ka na rin naman ng di ba? Sa OFW.
Parang ano kasi siya it's a way of giving back din. Kasi syempre, yung mga supporters naman natin is not limited to the Philippines lang. Marami rin tayong mga kapusong Pinoy abroad, that's why we call them Global Pinoys. And then, I really look forward to shows like this. It has been a while since my last international show with GMA. So, excited ako to go to those countries. Medyo marami nga sila at medyo sunod-sunod sila. Kung makikita niyo po, 9, 10, 11. Tinalon-talon ko po yung United States to Canada. But exciting kasi at least, ang objective naman talaga natin whenever we do shows like this is to really give joy and bring the Philippines, sabi nga ni Julie kanina, bring the Philippines to our global Pinoys abroad. So excited po.
And do you feel like you're much closer or sa mga OFW natin na kababayan? Because yun nga, you've played before.
Yeah.
Sa...
Siyempre, definitely. I think we really should consider our OFW kababayans abroad heroes. Kasi the sacrifices that they have made for them to be in that country, malayo sa pamilya, to earn a living, to sustain their family here in the Philippines. Kaya sobrang meaningful sa akin that I was able to portray a role ng isang OFW because I can relate more to them. So I can be more of service to them in terms of entertainment.
And then aside from the shows ba, tutulugin na rin yung shooting mo for Hello Love Again? What's the plan?
Yes po, parang mauuna po akong umalis prior to these dates. So medyo matagal po kami doon and then clean up na lang yung schedule for me to be able to accommodate those dates.
And paano mo napapagsabay-sabay lahat yan, di ba? May shows, may movie, may serye, di ba?
Nagugulat din po ako pero I think I've grown in the industry by doing these things that I love, I've learned to love. So wala na yung pagod, it's part of it, but physically tulog mo lang yan, I'm good na. And at the end of the day, it's fulfilling din naman. It's how you see things. It's not what you do, it's how you see it. Ano bang purpose nun? So nandun ako sa purpose.
And last na lang, singin ko na lang, sa upcoming gala, are you looking forward? May date ka ba? Or mag-isa ka lang lalakad?
I'll keep you posted po, don't worry.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Alan. Ayan, maraming things with Alden's life that we should be posted about. Thank you for your questions. And now, let's have Mr. Robert De Quintina of Manila Bulletin.
Magandang hapon po. Kay Ruro and